Finding the perfect sheets can transform your sleep experience, especially if you're a hot sleeper or live in a warmer climate. Cooling sheets are designed to wick away moisture, regulate temperature, and provide comfort throughout the night. Whether you prefer silky, smooth textures, soft cotton blends, or breathable linens, there's a range of options available to suit your needs. This review covers a selection of the best cooling sheets, highlighting their materials, features, and overall performance. From luxury brands to budget-friendly choices, these sheets are designed to help you stay cool, comfortable, and well-rested all year long. Check out our top recommendations. All product links are provided in the description. Number 11. Purple SoftStretch Sheets. The Purple SoftStretch Sheets offer a stretchy and soft jersey material, perfect for creating a cozy bed. Made from 100% rayon, these sheets are moisture-wicking and lightweight, making them ideal for hot sleepers or warmer climates. The elastic around the fitted sheet provides a snug fit, keeping the sheets securely in place. Available in a variety of sizes, including deep pocket options, these sheets cater to different mattress heights. Users love how easy they are to put on, even for those who struggle with regular sheets. The cooling sensation and lightweight fabric make them an excellent choice for year-round comfort. Number 10. Sijo TempTune Cotton Sheet Set. The Sijo TempTune Cotton Sheet Set combines the natural softness of cotton with the cooling performance of the brand's Climafiber. The 80% cotton blend ensures that the sheets feel familiar and comfortable, while the additional fibers help regulate temperature. Though not as moisture-wicking as some other cooling options, these sheets offer a balance between comfort and cooling. They are soft to the touch and available in sizes from full to cal king, with a 16-inch pocket for a secure fit. Many users find the feel comparable to high-end hotel sheets, making this set a luxurious yet practical choice. Number 9. Sheets and Giggles 100% Eucalyptus Lyocell Sheet Set. For those who prioritize softness, the Sheets and Giggles Eucalyptus Lyocell Sheet Set is an excellent option. Made from 100% lyocell, these sheets are incredibly soft and smooth, perfect for sleepers who prefer a gentle fabric. The fitted sheet has a deep pocket, accommodating mattresses up to 20 inches tall, making it ideal for thicker beds or those with toppers. These sheets offer excellent moisture management, keeping you dry and comfortable throughout the night. The set comes in a range of sizes, from twin to cal king. Number 8. SleepNumber True Temp Sheet Set. SleepNumber's True Temp Sheet Set is crafted with 37.5 cooling technology that helps maintain a comfortable temperature all night long. The sheets are made from a cotton blend, offering a smooth and luxurious feel without the slipperiness that sometimes accompanies sateen fabrics. The fitted sheet is conveniently labeled for easy bedmaking and fits mattresses up to 15 inches deep. These sheets are soft, crisp, and ideal for warm nights, providing both comfort and durability for a better sleep experience. They come in a variety of sizes, including queen, king, and California king. Number 7. Lusome Temperature Regulating Sheets. The Lusome Temperature Regulating Sheets combine natural cotton with innovative cooling technology to prevent night sweats. These sheets offer a cool-to-the-touch feel, making them a great option for hot sleepers. The thick elastic band around the bottom ensures a snug fit, keeping the sheets securely in place throughout the night. Available in queen, king, and split king sizes, the sheets are designed to fit mattresses up to 16 inches deep. They feature a slight hexagonal pattern that may not appeal to everyone, but the overall performance in terms of cooling and comfort makes them a solid choice for temperature regulation. Number 6. West Elm Silky Tencel Sheet Set and Pillowcases. West Elm's Silky Tencel Sheet Set is a top pick for those seeking soft, moisture-wicking sheets. Made from 100% Tencel, these sheets offer excellent cooling properties, keeping sleepers dry and comfortable throughout the night. The silky texture enhances the luxurious feel, while the strong elasticity ensures the sheets stay securely in place. These sheets come in multiple colors and sizes, from full to cal king, fitting mattresses up to 16 inches deep. They are also known for their durability, showing resistance to pilling and maintaining their softness even after frequent use. Number 5. The Citizenry Stonewashed Linen Sheet Set. The Citizenry Stonewashed Linen Sheet Set is made from 100% French flax linen, offering a breathable and airy feel. Linen sheets are known for their durability and ability to keep you cool in warm weather, and this set is no exception. Available in a variety of stylish colors and patterns, these sheets have a natural, relaxed appearance that adds a chic touch to any bedroom. With each wash, they become softer, and many users love the lived-in look they offer. The fitted sheet is designed to fit mattresses up to 15 inches deep, making this set both practical and elegant. Number 4. L.L.Bean 280 Thread Count Pima Cotton Percale Sheet Set. The L.L.Bean 280 Thread Count Pima Cotton Percale Sheet Set offers a crisp, breathable feel, ideal for those who prefer a more traditional cotton texture. Made with 100% long staple Pima cotton, these sheets are both soft and durable. The Percale weave allows for excellent airflow, making them a good option for warmer nights. Available in multiple sizes, including twin, full, queen, king, and cal king, this set fits mattresses up to 15 inches deep. Users appreciate the cool-to-the-touch feel and hotel-like quality of these sheets, making them a great choice for those who want a balance between comfort and breathability. Number 3. Bedsure Cooling Sheet Set. The Bedsure Cooling Sheet Set is known for its silky feel and comes in a variety of 30 colors to suit any bedroom decor. Made with 100% rayon, these sheets are designed to wick away moisture, keeping you cool and comfortable throughout the night. They are also resistant to pilling, ensuring durability over time. The fitted sheet accommodates mattresses up to 16 inches deep, offering a snug fit. Hot sleepers, in particular, have praised these sheets for their ability to help regulate temperature. While some may find the marketing claims about natural materials misleading, the rayon composition still provides a smooth and comfortable experience for most users. Number 2. Comfort Spaces Coolmax Sheet Set. For those seeking affordable cooling sheets, the Comfort Spaces Coolmax Sheet Set offers excellent value. These sheets are made with synthetic materials, including 80% polyester and 20% Coolmax microfiber, providing moisture-wicking capabilities to keep you cool and dry. The sheets feel cool to the touch, helping you maintain a comfortable temperature throughout the night. They are lightweight yet soft, offering a smooth texture without being overly silky. Available in a range of sizes, from twin to cal king, they're designed to fit mattresses up to 16-inch deep. Number 1. Slumber Cloud Performance Sheet Set. The Slumber Cloud Performance Sheet Set is designed for those who struggle with overheating at night. Crafted from 40% Outlast viscose and 60% Tencel fabric, this set uses temperature-regulating technology to keep you at a stable body temperature, helping to prevent night sweats. The fabric effectively wicks away moisture, making it perfect for hot sleepers. In addition to its functionality, the sheets are soft to the touch with a silky, smooth finish. The elastic straps help secure the fitted sheet, ensuring it stays in place, even with frequent movement during sleep. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.